city and what happened there and how they built the property, because that was great. And you can't get it. You can't get it. What do you get on it? Here we go, $50. 25, now 30, now 40, now 40, now 50, now 50, now 30, now 50, now 60, now 60, now 60, now 60, now 70, 70, 70, 70, 60, now 70, 60, 70, 60, now 70, 60, now 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 30 in the back, 35, 30 in the back, now 35, in the back, 30, the 30, now 5, intermates out, now 45, 50, now 55, intermates are out, now 55, 50 in the back, now 55, now 60, now 60, now 60, now 60, now 60, 55, 60, 55, on the line, now 60, now 60, 60, 55, 55, sold at $55 on the internet, number 5010, 5010.
What's this up here? Hey, you got to pay
Here we go,
table rent to get up there.
1827, dual front, money at 25. The 25, 10 I'll take it. Now 15, now 15, now 15. All right, here we go. Hey there. Oh, this is the beauty. I want you to fold that out, because that absolutely sells this piece. Here is the row crop piece, the 1827 single wheel row crop piece. All right, here we go. Look at that color. Look at that color. Frame it. Here we go. Did you give it? Hey, $50, $20, $20, It's a great piece. 40, 50, 40, 50, 40, 50, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 60, sold $50, second row, and that's 148, 148. All right. Here we go on the 70 standard. The 70 standard. All right, here we go now over 70 standard. We're going to give on it 25. The 25 down 30, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, what did you say? 45, 50. I got 45, 50. Now we get to 55, 55, 55. Sold out $50 bill way back there in the back. 159. 159. All right. Now here's the companion pamphlet to it. This is a narrow pamphlet for the standard 70. What are you going to give on it? Here we go, $20. $20, matching piece here. 20, 10 to go. I got 15 online. Now 20. Now 5. Now 25. Now 30. Now 30. 30. Were you waving? No, ain't no, all the way in the back behind the tractor. Oh, ma'am, I've got you in for $700. Okay. I think she passed out. I got 25, 30, 25, I sold it $25. Number 5046. 5046. All right. Hey, this is one of my favorite pieces. All right, here we go on the 60. On the 60, look at that full color. We need to give on it $75. $20. They told him, I got 30, now 35, 35, now 30, now 40, now 45, 50, now 5, now 60, here now 60, now 60, now 60, 55, 60, now 5, 65, 5, 60, now 70, 70, 70, 70, 65, 70, 65, 70, 65, 70, 70, 65, 70, 55, 70, 70, 70, sold for you $65 right there. You put that on his number? Well, that's a pretty good deal, 117. Hey folks, community number back there if you need one. All right, here we go. Next up, here's the small pamphlet for the 60. What are you going to give on it? 25. At 25, got 10, 10, 10, 10, 15, 15, now 20, 25, 5, 5, 5, you get 25, you get 5, you get 25, you get 25, 25, 25, you get $20, 25, 25, you get 5, 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 25, you get 5, you get 5, you get 20, you get 25, you get 5, you get 5, now 5, you get 5, what? No, 20, 25, you get 5. Betty, don't raise your paper up at an auction. 25, Dwayne's already got that piece. I sold it to him. 25, sold it to you. $20. Got a good home. 126. All right, here we go. Next up, another one of my favorites here. Heart Par 70. Heart Par 70 out of tomorrow. Here we go. Hey, look at here. 25 to go. Hey, 25 to find down 30. 30. This is a great piece of literature. 25, 30, 35, 35, 35, but I got 30 there, not 35. 35, but I 5, 5, 5, give it a little bit of 5, 35, but I 5, give it a 5, give it a 5, give it a 5. Now 40, now 40, but give it a 45, give it a 45, give it a 45, give it a 50. 50 now 5, give it a 55, but I give it a 50, give it a 55, give it a 50, give it a 55, but I give it a 55, but I give it a 5, give it a 50, give it a 55, but I give it a 5, give it a 50, give it a 55. So a $50 bill rocking the old white hat right there, 136, 136. All right, scrambled eggs even. All right, here we go. Hey, look there. Now this is on the 2844. 2844 introduction piece. That might have a big color fold out in it. I can't remember. All right, it's been too long on that one. All right, what do you give on it? Here we go. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. All right, what are you going to give on it? 25. 25, but a 5, but a 5, but a 5, but a 25, but a 5, but a 5, 10 to go. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I got 15 online. Now 20, and 5, and 30. Now 30, but a 35, but a 5, but a 5, now 40. Now 40, but a 35, but a 35. Now guys, if you came to the HPOCA Winter Convention, left your wife at home, you need to be taking her something home. Right there. They would love to have that hanging in the dining room. Absolutely love it. I got 35, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50. Now I'm going to 55. 55, 55, 55. Sold them $50 right there. That's a great piece. 148. All right, here we go. 70 row crop ahead of tomorrow. All right, here we go. Hey, look at here. Look at the artwork on that. 25, 25, 10 to go. 15, 15, now 15, now 20, 20, 20, 20, now 5, 5 there, now 30, 30, all the way in the back with Roger. Down 30, now 5, 35, 35, down 40, now 45, 45, 45, 45, 50, now 50, now 50. Why are you quitting? That's his number. Now 50, now 50, now 50, 45, 50, 45, 50. 50, oh, train left the track for $45. That's our 115. How about the 99 Oliver? Here we go, 25 to go. 25, 10 to go. 15, 15. I got 10 here. 15, 15. Now 20. Then 20, and that's out. 20, 20, 20, 20, 15, 20, 20, 25, 148. All right. Dave, we're going to let you do the other side. We're going to. Oh, we done over here? Okay. Well, we'll start on that side. All right. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Next up, we've got a Super 55. Super 55. All right. Here we go. And what are you going to give on it? 25. And 25 to go. 25 to 5. 10 to go. 18 to 15. 15 here now. 50 now. 15 here now. 20, 25. 25. 25. I got 20 against the tractor. tractor. Now 25. 25 to combine, little bit of 5. You getting Roger? Now 25 to combine, 25 to combine, little bit of 5, 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 little bit of 5. Sold about $20 clip. And the bidder's 159. 159. On the Super 55 industrial piece, correct there? Right there, Super 55 industrial. Great piece here, guys. All right, but we're going to go there. Who's got $10? You got to get 10. Hit 10, 10, 10, put them to 10, 15, 15, 15, 15, 10, put them to 15. Hit 15, 15, 20, 20, 20, put them to 20. Hit 20 to 5, 5, 5, put them to 25, 5, 5, $20, put them to 25. I got 20 in the back, 25. Hit $20, put them to 25, 5, 5, $20, put them to 25. Good 55 piece here, guys. $20, put them to 25. Hit $20, put them to 25, 5, $20. $25. Sold her in the back. $20 on 159. 159. $9.95 scraper 57 piece there, guys. Look at here. All right, on a $9.95 scraper piece right there. Who's got 25 here? Hit 25, now 30. Hit 25, even to 30, 30, 35, 5, now 40. Hit 40, 45, 5, to 50, 50, 55, 5, to 60. Hit $60, down $60, 65, 5, now 70. Hit $70, down 70, 70, 70, 70, 65, down 70. Hit $65, down to 70, 70, 70, 65, to make 70, now 75, now 80, now 85, and now 90, hit 95, 95, 100. Hit 100, down to 115, 5, 5, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 5, 5, 1, 10, 10, 10, 1, 10, 10, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 10, 10, 1, 5, no mistake, I'm in the back, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 10, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 10, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, sold her in the back, $105, same way, 159, 159. Got your 550 sales, or is a 550 piece? One piece not in the catalog there, guys. One piece not in the catalog there. It's a Super 99 in the industrial. There you go. GM Diesel, boys. There you go. All right. Who's got 25 there in that beautiful piece? Hit $25. Hit 25, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 15, hit 15, 15 to 20, 20, 20, 20, 25, 5, hit 25, 30, 30, 30, 25, 30, hit 35, hit $30, 35, $30, 35. I get $30 at the door, 35, hit $30, 35, 40, hit 40, now 45, hit 45, 50, 50, 55, 5, now 60, hit 5, hit 65, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 65, hit $60, 65, 65, hit $60, down 65, $60, get 65, sold out, $60 on the door, $60 on the door, the numbers 127. 127, thank you, thank you. All right, now we got that 550 piece, correct? 550 lit piece right there. What lot number is that, Kurt? 39. Right there on that 550 piece. 550 piece right there, guys. All right. Hey, what am I going to give on that? Who's got 20 here? On the nice 550 piece. Oh, I'm going to be $20 later. He's going to be 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, but I'm going to 10, 10, 10, but I'm going to 10, 15, 15, 15, and now 20. Hit 20 to 5, 5, 5, sir, 25. Hit $20. He's going to be 25, but I'm going to $20. He's going to get 25, but I'm $20. He's going to get 25. Hit $20. He's going to be 25, but I'm $20. He's going to get 25, but I'm $20. He's going to get 25. Sold it over there. $20 on the community. We still on the community number yet? Are we still? Yeah, there we go. 117. Put it on his number.
All right, lot 40 right there, Oliver. Oh, I love that 4-digit Super 88 piece right here, guys. Get right in on that. Who's got $20 here? Get $20 bill. Leave it at 20 where? Leave it at 20, 20, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 20, get 25, 30, get 30, get 40, 40, 40, 35 over here, 40, sir. Get $40, leave it at 30 pounds, minimum 40, $40, leave it at 30 pounds, leave it at 40. Get 35, leave it at $40, leave it at 30 pounds, leave it at 40, 40, 40, 35. 35, end up at 40, get 35, $40, now 45, 50, get 45, end up at $50, end up at 45, end up at $50, 45, end up at 50, get 45, end up at $50, end up at 45, end up at $50, end up at 45, 50, Yep, diesel, gas, both together. I got 30, I need 50 from them, $50. Get 50, get 45, $50, $50, get 45, 50, cheap enough. Yes, thank you. 55, get 55, now 60, let's go again. Get 55, damn it, 60, it's $60, damn it, 55, and 60, it's $60, damn it, 55, no matter what you pay, it's on his number. 55, $60, it's $60, 60, now 5, it's 65, now 70, it's 70, 70, 70, 75, 70, 70, 75, 70, 70, 65, now 70, sold them right here in the front row, $65 on 139, 139. All right, you got lot 41 there, the 7788 diesel piece there, the red piece right there, guys. All right, hey, what do we give on that? Who's got $10 there? Let's go. Get 10 on, but I'm paying, but I'm paying now. Down in 15, get 10, but I'm $15, down in 10, but I'm 15, but I'm 10, but I'm $15. Get 19 and 20, get 25, get 25, but I'm 25, but I'm 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 25, but I'm 30. Get 25, then but I'm $30, down to 25, but I'm 30, 30, 30, 25, but I'm 30, get 25, $30, $30, down to 25, but I'm 30, sold them in the back, and $25 on 159, 159. Oh, super 99 Jimmy Diesel, lot 42 right there, guys. All right. Yeah, there, what do we got? 15, 20, hit 15, $20, hit 20, no 5, hit $20, hit 25, 5, 5, hit $20, hit 25, 30, hit 30, 30, 35, 5, 5, hit $30, hit 35, 35, 40, hit $40, I got 35 online, $40, hit 35, hit $40, hit 35, hit 40, 40, GM Diesel boys, 35, $40, hit 35, hit $40, $40, hit 35, hit 40, sold them out, $35 online. 50, 36, 50, 36. At 43, we got another Super 99 Jimmy Diesel right there. Ooh, that nice color right there. Oh, boy. And there, who's got $10 bill? Oh, you got, 35, 30, hit 35, even if it's 40, hit 35, going over 35, even if it's $40, $40, 40, hit 35, even if it's $40, $40, 45, hit $40, even if it's $45, 50, hit 50, hit 45, like your turn, $50, even if it's $50, 55, hit 55, $50, $55, sold on your way, $50. You're the winner. You're the winner. We're going to put him on his number 2. He thought about it. 152 is enough for Kelly. 152. He had the right idea right there. Oliver 5 is a 550 late right there. 550 utility limit right there, guys. All right, anybody get $10 here? Get 10 where? Leave it $10 here. 15. Get $10, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $ Sold your way for $30. 1, 2, 1, 2. 6 right there. And we got a 774 plow right there. That 60s lit. Beautiful. 25. Get $20. Even at 25. Get $20 here. Even at $20. Even at $20. Down. $25. Get $20. Even at $25. 25. Get 30. Get $20. Even at 30. Let's keep your guys. Get $25. Even at $30. $30. 30. Get $25. Even at $30. $30. 30. Sold them to your way. $25. You're the winner. Put them on 117. 117. 1964 piece here, guys. Got that 770 square grill, square fender piece. There you go. Hey, all right, who's got $20 here? Get 20 there. Then we're going to rounding up high. Get $20. Then to buy. $20 into the buy square fender grill piece. Get $20. Then to $20. $20 into the $20. Get $20. 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 Into the $20. So on your way, $20 on 112, 112. That 770, 880 color right here, guys. Oh, ball, let's come to town. Yep, 15, 20. Yep, $50. Even the 20. Great pace here, boys. 50, 20. Yep, $20. They were $20. Yep, $20. So $50 right there, so appreciate you hold. And number 1, 2, 2. 2, 2. Oh, yeah, there you go, guys. Got that. Our pamphlet type right there. New Oliver Power going to work for you. Nice. That's a nice piece here, guys. 25. Get 20 out. Ain't coming by. Get 20 out. Get 20 Don't get disappointed. Valentine's Day will go by. Yeah, I know. I got it right where I want it. All right, right there. We're just hit the rhythm. Let's go. $30